Ollie from Quicksilver Exhausts, and we've got a Defender Diesel 130 here. This is the first Sound Architect system in the world. Let's fire it up, hear it stock, put the Sound Architect system on, get it on the road and have some fun. Let's go. So, give it some more, Ben. Right, so as you can hear from stock, pretty much nothing there. Let's have one more close up of that, George. Well, we can't be having that, so let's get it on the ramp and have some fun.
12 seconds later.
So, as you can see, we're done. Now with a lovely visible 90mm twin set of carbon tailpipes. But let's hear it sound, that's the bit you're all really interested in. Well, that's more like it. Now let's have it off, Ben. And give us some revs off. So that's the factory sound, and that's the Quicksilver sound. That's more like it.